Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Now in this video you are going to learn about the stoichiometric calculation. So in this problem you are going to calculate the volume of chlorine. So now in this reaction the formation of HCl. So the volume of chlorine is required to form 11.2 liters of HCl and then at STP. So how much volume of chlorine? How much volume of chlorine required for the HCl? 11.2 liters of HCl. Now you want to write first the stoichiometric equation for the formation of HCl. So in this the hydrogen and chlorine, hydrogen gas and chlorine is going to involve to form HCl. So now see that hydrogen and chlorine 2 plus 2, 4, 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine. So this become 2 HCl. So 1 mole of hydrogen gas involved in 1 mole of chlorine to give 2 moles of hydrochloric acid HCl. Now what is the question? You want to find the volume of chlorine. The volume of chlorine to get 11.2 liters of HCl. Now we want to find the amount or the volume of HCl. Now in this case the 1 mole of or to produce 2 mole of HCl, 2 mole of HCl, it requires 1 mole of chlorine, 1 mole of chlorine at STP, at standard temperature pressure. 2 mole of HCl is equal to 2 into 22.4 liters, that is 44.8 liters of HCl. So now how many, the volume of HCl produced with 1 mole of chlorine is 44.8 liters. Now you want to calculate to produce 11.2 liters of HCl the volume of chlorine. So the volume of chlorine is 1 mole means the 1 mole of chlorine, 1 mole of chlorine at standard temperature pressure, the standard condition is equal to 22.4 liter. So to get 2 mole of HCl we need how many mole or how many liter? 22.4 liter of chlorine. Now you want to calculate the volume of chlorine required to produce 11.2 liters of HCl. Therefore, to produce 11.2 liters of HCl, the volume of chlorine required. So already we know that the amount of the volume of chlorine is 22.4 liter of chlorine involved in 44.8 liters of HCl. So 44.8 liters of HCl, to produce 44.8 liters of HCl, the volume of chlorine required is 22.4. Now we want to calculate for 11.2 liters of HCl. So now the liters of HCl, now you can cancel this, become 4. So now 22.4 liters of chlorine divided by 4, 5 4s are 20, remainder 4.6. So 5.6 liters of chlorine. So what is we need? we need 5.6 liters of chlorine required to produce 11.2 liters of HCl. By this, you can calculate the volume of any one of the reactant or product by increasing or decreasing the volume or to increase the yield of the product. So, these are all the based on the stoichiometry. And thank you for watching this. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you.